My name is Zulfi Irvani and welcome to ZArt channel. According to the title, this is my first commission job. Are you familiar with this cowboy? Of course not. This is an original character that my friends made. Basically, this is a hero model with a cowboy suit. Let's back to the time when my friend asked me to redraw his OC in digital paint 2 times with a different pose, and this is the result. Then when I learned about sculpting clay and making this channel, he contacted me again. He wants his OC turned into the sculpture. Without any further ado, let's jump to the progress. Let's build an armature and cover it with aluminum foil. Aluminum foil can save your clay and make your clay stick tightly. Add the red clay to make his pants. We will start from the lower parts. Pour the water and puree it until you get the shape you want. Add some detail of the fabric folds using the silicone tip or silicone brush. Compress the clay, cut it straight, and you are ready to make the leather belt. And these are for the buckle. Stick the gun holster's belt to the waist. Add blue strip detail beside the pants. Pour the water, and the clay will stick when it's dry. Now I'm making the gun holster and make the detail of the wing pattern. Add the brown clay to make a couple of boots. Puree with the water till the boots get smoother. When the pair of the boots is dry, add more layer in the front of the boots. Now we can add the details in the front of the layer of the boots. When making detail, you need to certain and do not hesitate. Focus and patient. Stick the little belt behind the boots. Use the dark blue clay to making his torso. add the thick layer of the red clay. Now we're making the face, adding the line detail in the front, and then put the belt on, and don't forget the buckles. Add the thick layer of the brown clay to make the leather part. Make the hole for collar or the neck. Now I'm making the wristband or arm guard or whatever. Don't forget to add the line detail and the wing pattern also. I will cut the tassel part to make a semi-realistic detail like this. Now I'm making the little pouch or waist bag. The round pattern is for the hat, the skin clay for the hand. And this is the prototype of the revolver I made. Now this is the hardest part, making his face with a blazing clay. It's so annoying and so challenging. Let's put on the collar and then plug the head in. And this is the ordinary cowboy hat that I made. And the last is making the stain base. Enjoy the footage. Thanks for watching everyone. Please support this channel by like, share, and subscribe. And my name is Zulfi Irfani. See you in the next art.